Combinator selector used to specify the relationship between different elements in HTML document like parent, child, siblings, descendant. So the DOM tree shows how elements are organized in a web page. It's like family tree where elements are related in different ways as parent, child, siblings or ancestor. So let's see, for image article is ancestor, div is the parent, h2 and p's are siblings. So this way the family structure are defined. Let's have few elements for parent-child relationship. First div with p is a child of div. Now add few sibling for paragraph. So section is a sibling for paragraph. Now inside the section we add one more paragraph. So now this paragraph is descendant for div. Now add one more article. Let's start by trying to pick an element based on ancestor and descendant relationship. Let's say div space p. All paragraph element inside div, that's the meaning of this. So it can be child, child of child or child of child, it goes on. So let's see, color as red. So now all the paragraphs selected because all the paragraph is descendant for the div. Let's say here we have sibling 1, sibling 2, sibling 3. So now this for div space, this paragraph won't be selected because these are siblings, not a child or descendant. So let's say if you want to select only the child of the div, then if you add a greater than symbol, so it will only select the child of div. So it can be n number. Let's say if child 2 also will be selected. So all the children paragraph, so that's the meaning here. Now the same section. So all the children paragraph of section. So here in the section only one paragraph. Let's say if I remove this less than and just only have a space or descendant. So all the section, it has two descendant, one child and descendant for the section. So now go with siblings. Let's say div all the sibling paragraph, color as red. So sibling 1 is all 2, 3, all siblings will be selected and change the color as red. Let's say here we have a paragraph before the div, but here elder siblings are not selected as per this criteria. The siblings are always the younger, so it won't select the elder siblings. So if we want to select immediate younger sibling, so the p means immediate, the next to the div. So if we hover over to the plus, you can see div immediately the paragraph element, otherwise it won't work. Let's say if I add a span, as per this criteria it won't work because the paragraph element is not immediate sibling of div element, so that's why the condition not work here. But the general siblings are different, even if it has a different span, so still it select the paragraph siblings, because when you hover over you can see the syntax paragraph dot dot dot, so div element dot 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 paragraph. In between it can be any values. If those are siblings, then it is fine to be selected. So the immediate, so when you add a plus, that mandatorily should be the next element.